Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to connect your hosting a domain to Bolt.new. Just follow these steps so you can link your custom domain and make your Bolt app live online. First, go to Bolt.new and open the app you created. Make sure your app is already published. Click the Settings, Gear, Icon, then go to Server Functions. Next, click Domains and Hosting. Select Connect a domain you own. Enter your domain name, for example, yourdomain.com, and click Verify. Bolt will show you the DNS records you need to add, such as alias or CNAME. Keep this window open because you'll need this information. Now open a new tab and go to hostinger.com. Navigate to Websites and click Manage next to the domain you want to connect. Scroll down and open the DNS Zone editor. Under the Advanced section, find DNS records. Click Add Record, then choose CNAME. Fill in the required fields: name, target/points to, and TTL, using the details provided by Bolt. Save your new CNAME record. This will link your subdomain www to your Bolt.new project, ensuring that both www.yourdomain.com and yourdomain.com lead to the same site. Once done, go back to Bolt.new and return to the Domains and Hosting page. Click Verify. DNS updates typically take 10 to 30 minutes, but sometimes longer, so don't worry if it isn't active right away. After the verification completes, open your browser and visit your domain. Your Bolt.new site should now load live under your hosting a domain with full HTTPS support. And that's it. Once you follow these steps, you can easily connect your hosting a domain to Bolt.new anytime.